On this episode of JN Homeowner's Guide. Complete with shopping malls, affordable housing, a private hospital, and some of the best seafood restaurants in Jamaica, Portmore has, in the past 3 decades, become the area of choice for living for many of our country's professionals and for raising families. The Sunshine City, as it's called, has a plethora of entertainment spots suitable for the entire family. You can enjoy a go-kart adventure at Rocket Go-Karting Experience. For example, tune into a movie at Palace Sunshine Cinema, watch the exciting sports of horse racing at Cayman Park, or enjoy delectable food from several restaurants such as The Dragon. And if you're in the mood for some relaxation, spend a day eating seafood and chilling at Fort Clarence Beach or Helsha, or rejuvenate at Portmore's Luxury Spa. Its wide array of amenities and proximity to the capital via the Portmore toll and its nightlife makes Portmore ideal for many looking for properties just outside Kingston. Welcome to Bayfront Apartments. Located on the shores of Kingston Harbour in Port Henderson, Portmore, this landmark restoration project converts the former Forum Hotel into 135 apartment residences that will revolutionize apartment living in Jamaica with its community amenities, open green areas, on the harbour location, and innovative strata bylaws. The 10-story high-rise tower features 120 studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom units with floor-to-ceiling windows, offering panoramic sea and city view, plus 15 garden apartments with private outdoor patios. This exclusive Bayfront lifestyle is revealed as you enter the elegant lobby. An adjoining games lounge, fitness center, and strata office suite. Each apartment offers must-have features such as an open floor plan, energy-saving air conditioning system, porcelain floor tiles, solid surface countertops, and mosaic wall tile accents. Meanwhile, outdoor entertainment are yours to explore, with resort-like amenities spread over 3 acres, featuring a swimming pool, kiddie wading pool, bar and food service area, pergolas, and a play area for both children and adults. Wait no more! The Bayfront Apartments arrive this fall 2020.
Buying a home is a significant milestone, but before you purchase your home, you're going to need some savings to pay for your deposit and any additional costs. Some vendors require a 5 to 15% deposit, as well as you'll have to cover any escalation, legal fees, or additional costs that may come up. One tip in how to achieve your goal is to set a budget and stick to it. Additionally, you may want to open a savings account dedicated to your home purchase and set up an automatic transfer so that your savings goes to this account religiously every month. Ensure to keep this home purchase account off limits. Resist the urge to treat yourself and ensure that you send any bonuses or NHT refunds directly to this account. Remember to be realistic about your expenses, including those small day-to-day transactions. Keep them in mind and set a realistic budget about how much you can save each month towards your home ownership goal.
Today's tour is over, but keep following us on Facebook and Instagram, or visit JN Bank on YouTube for more JN Bank Homeowners Guide. See you next time.
Come on.